What's up guys, my name is Tony. Welcome back to Dudes Love Lulu, and today's episode we are going to be trying on the Lululemon Pulse Motivation short sleeve extra large shirt here. So first off, just so you guys know, I do work for Lululemon's head office in Vancouver. This shirt is a light gray size extra large. The Pulse Motivation is a little different as far as the cut goes. It kind of has this extended bottom where it's cut on the side, but I'll show you that in a second. Otherwise, it's a pretty basic shirt. It has the armhole vents that I absolutely love. Let's go try it on. Okay, so here is the Pulse Motivation shirt. Now, as you can see, it fits perfect through my arms. Like legit, the XLs fit me so nice through here. So I really like the fit along. It's good length. You're showing a good amount of tricep, nice and tight around the shoulders, good through the waist. And the bottom is also really nice as well. Now it is a little longer than shorts I do normally wear. The Pulse Motivation is like a long line style, but they do break it up nicely by adding a little bit of writing on the side and then also the split design as well. Like most Lulu stuff, the fabric's unbelievably comfy. It's super stretchy. They're super breathable because I like the armholes on the side here. No complaints.